One final shortcut that I can use to prove that two triangles are similar to each other is called side angle side similarity. So as we've done always with angles, I'll need to show that one angle is congruent to another angle. The sides, of course, are not going to be congruent when we're dealing with similar triangles, but the sides will be in proportion. They'll have the same ratio. And as we did with congruent triangles, because that A is sandwiched in between the two sides, I have to make sure that I'm looking at the included angle. And so we're going to show that two sides have the same ratio and the angle in between them is congruent in order to prove that two triangles are similar. And so here we are setting up a tent or something, it looks like. And so let's see if we can prove that the two triangles are similar to each other, and if they are, which they are, we'll write a similarity statement when we're done. And so let's begin, as we did with our side video, if you watch that one, by matching up the two shorter sides. So in this case, the short side of the left triangle is 6, the short side of the right triangle is going to be 9. And so 6 over 9 is what I'm going to want to simplify. Dividing both of those by 3 gets me 2/3. So those have a scale factor between them of 2 to 3. Let's move to the longer side. So I'm going to move to the other end of the screen. The longer side in the smaller triangle is 10. The longer side in the bigger triangle is 15. 10 over 15 simplifies to, again, 2/3. So that's good. We've got the S and the S part of side angle side figured out. We've shown that the two sides have the same ratio. We do need to find the angle in between them, and I can see that, yeah, in between the sides that I used is angle F and angle A. And according to the diagram, angle F is congruent to angle A. That's what I'm looking for the angles. So I've done it then. Because the two sides have the same ratio and the angle in between them is congruent, I've proved using side angle side that the triangles are similar to each other. So let's finish this by writing our similarity statement. I'm going to do the first triangle alphabetical, so FGH is similar to triangle, and now make sure the second triangle matches up to triangle 1. F matches up to A, we've already established that right above, and then G matches up to angle B, and then we finish with C. So there's my similarity statement based on side angle side similarity.